In this video, I will show you how you can visually edit your AI Studio website or landing page without writing prompts. I know a lot of people hate writing prompts when it comes to editing their project. There's a thing in AI Studio called the visual editor. Okay, so if we go to the AI Studio, and if you don't know anything about AI Studio or you haven't started exploring this feature in GoHighLevel, I have videos on that. You will find that on my channel, and then you can come back and watch this video. What I'm talking about is if we go to any of our projects here, there is an option that's been there for a while, is visual edits. So click on that. If you click on this, the visual editor will open, and then you can select any of these elements and start editing. For example, if I want to change this image, I can just click on it. And then if I go to the left panel, which just opened because I clicked on this. So this is the visual panel where you can edit your website or edit that element. So if I don't want that, I can just either upload a new image, or I can just go ahead and select any of these existing ones. Okay, so let's say I want to use this. So as soon as I hit select, it will update. And now if I want this to change, I'll just again click on this, and then the visual editor will open, and I can update it to anything I want. Either upload a new image or just use any of these existing ones. Same thing for this one. If I want to update that, this one should usually be the logo. So this one should be the person's avatar, while this one should be the logo. So let's just change that. Now, there's some limitations, obviously. Let me change a few other things. So if I want to change here, I'll say book a free consultation with Hasib, and then I leave it. And then if I want to change the color, for example, this color is not dark enough, I want to change this. And then if you want to change the phone number, you can do that as well. So I'll just change that to something like this. And then, hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly share with you my school community, where if you join, you'll get to ask me questions about issues that you're facing on GoHighLevel, automation, ads, AI, vibe coding, any of that stuff. If I show you the classroom, it's packed with courses on Google Ads, Meta Ads, GoHighLevel, agency. It has resources like prompts, SOPs, onboarding documents. We have courses on Claude Code, vibe coding, AI Studio, and all that stuff. Also, these courses are updated on a regular basis. I check the recent trends all the time and update any courses if necessary. Moving on to the calendars area, we have a couple of live calls every week. First one is on Tuesdays. This is a weekly Q&A where you can join live on Zoom and ask me questions about any issues you're facing directly. The other one is the weekly coaching session. We are covering specific topics every week where you get to join live and ask me questions while I'm covering that topic. With that said, if you're looking for a community where you get constant support for your agency or your business or your marketing profession, depending on which field you're in, this is the community you're looking for. So once you join, we'll speak soon. And now let's get back to the video. Once everything's done, you'll hit save. Now, there's a few things you can't change. Like you can't change the layout and stuff. Like if you wanted this to go away, like for example, so this is done already. See? So if you go back to visual edits and then select this element, I don't think they have allowed you to delete this element yet. It's a visual editor. To some level, you can make edits, but you can't really do big changes with the visual editor. For that, you still need to write prompts. What I mean is you need to close the visual editor and then instruct the AI Studio to get rid of that. So if I say get rid of the text under discovery call, that will still work. So this free 30-minute consultation to discuss how we can help you achieve your goals, that will go away because you just instructed AI Studio to get rid of this text. For these type of changes where you need to remove stuff, add new stuff to it, for that kind of thing, you still need to do that by writing prompts. But if you want something fairly like you want to make edits to the fonts, the colors, the font size, that kind of changes can be easily done with the visual editor. So that's pretty much what I wanted to share in this video. Let me know in the comments what your questions are about this feature or anything in general about GoHighLevel. More than happy to answer, and we can make some more follow-up videos on that as well. And I will see you in the next one.